seconds. Happy birthday to you, Hannah. It's currently 12:16 and it's my birthday. Yay! I don't even know what to say, but happy birthday to me. Yay! Okay, it's already 12, so I have to sleep. So good night. See you in the morning. I woke up probably an hour ago, but my sister stuck this behind my chair and it's my birthday gift for her. I didn't find this until yesterday night when I was pushing in my chair. Bruh, it's double wrapped. She told me I had two choices, one of a perfume and one of a brush, a hair brush. And I said the perfume, and she put it in the freaking hairbrush packaging. It smelled. Oh wait, it doesn't smell that bad. Thanks, Bella. My breakfast for today is going to be 2 pieces of toast. Looks like this is set up. I bought a headband as well, so we got boba. Thanks, Sally. I let Bella have one sip, cause one or half. No, you can't have half. Only a little. You can't even drink. See, did you see that? Look, it literally looks dolly. Drink from there. I swear to God. Stop. Oh shit. Oh my God. Dude, Nina. It's not me. You don't order the shit. Dude, what the fuck? I get the first sip. You can't even drink it. Oh yeah, you can. You can't even drink it, bro. Yeah. Both eating this first. I don't even know. Big fat drink 1/3 of it, bruh.
Girl, if I can play the guitar, 널 위한 곡을 수천 개는 더 아마도 앨범을 한개서 장을 내지 않았어. 네가 내 가사가 되면
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
She tripped on the fucking shoe. Please, come on, Jenny.
You got this.
You can look at the side, bro. He's secure, bro. Try. I could feel shaking it too hard. gonna open it. We're gonna open it. I don't really
Imagine
mind.
you get an eggplant.
Oh hell no! I don't want an eggplant. Wait, don't jinx it. Wait, I'm choosing another one.
No eggplant hatred here.
Let me figure out how to open
Bro
this.
does not know how to open it.
What do you want?
I
She wants the one wearing
I want that.
wearing
or
the shirt.
if that I don't get that,
Why
I
don't you
hope
get
for
the
that
bunny?
one. Bunny, that'll be awesome. I want these two.
Come on, get the one that you want.
You feel it?
You feel it? It looks like the one that's wearing the shirt.
Oh, it does.
Oh,
Over
oh,
here.
is your luck on your side today?
I draw for Firefly on top of my
Wait,
star.
really,
That's
really?
my luck on my side.
Oh! You're so loud. She should
open
want
yours
it.
then.
Wait, no, we should go for you first. You should, you should go for you. Okay, which one you want first?
I want this one or that one.
Aww. Okay. I think it's the sheep, guys.
Your luck is not on my side.
No, luck is definitely on your side.
No, bro. I lost my job.
No. Luck is on your side. Oh, come back.
Wait, feel. Oh,
that mouse. Oh, koala.
Aww, that's so cute. Guys, I want
Fingers
I want the strawberry. Let's see.
Eggplant.
No!
It feels like a grape.
Wait. It's a grape.
I told you.
Oh wait, this also looks like an old woman. Yeah. Thank you.
$23 for that.
$23. Let's open what Karen gave me. Oh yeah. She gave me a flower. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. I hope that the camera catched it. Okay. She has a card. I got a card. Okay. I love how you're just observing. What kind of box is this? Hold up. Wanya! No freaking way. She did not give me it, did she? Oh! No freaking way! She gave me one! What gonna do? Carrie gave me Wanya! I saw Wanya here. I was like, wait, no way. No freaking way. And she gave me the lip tint thingy that she bought yesterday. Wow. Yeah. Whoa. Thanks, Karen. Yum.
Can we eat Wingstop now?
I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it. Where you been?
I can show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven sent. Saw you there and I thought,
I just want to hear mine.
cause I know what you like, boy.
Come here, get some. Now don't know my name. Thanks, man. Couldn't say that. Guys, our tradition is to go karaoke now for our birthday.
Oh.